Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting to your Apple ID quickly. Open Settings and tap your name on iPhone or iPad, or open System Settings Apple ID on Mac. Once done, make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID. Subscriptions are account-specific. If you use multiple accounts, pause and confirm which one is active. This avoids checking the wrong subscriptions. Now move to the Subscriptions section. This is where Apple lists active, expired, and trial subscriptions so you can manage them. You now navigate to the Subscriptions panel to see details and billing cycles. On iPhone or iPad, tap Subscriptions under your Apple ID. On Mac, go to Media and Purchases, View Account, then Manage to reveal subscriptions. Once the list appears, scan for active items, trial periods, and expired subscriptions. Each shows renewal dates and prices. If you need to change or cancel, tap the specific subscription to open options and see the next billing date. This is how you complete the process by selecting a subscription and choosing change or cancel, read available plan options, and confirm any changes. Once canceled, verify the next billing date to ensure you won't be charged again. Apple often lets you use service until period end. If a subscription doesn't appear, sign out and back in, check Other Apple ID, or check purchase history. If charges continue, contact Apple support with the exact transaction date and amount for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.